Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you, how to use Nico Realistic Robot Puppy interactive toy. So you might be wondering, what is the Nico Realistic Robot Puppy here? So the Nico Realistic Robot Puppy is an interactive robot toy designed to mimic the behavior and feel of a real puppy without feeding, cleaning, training, or veterinary care. Now, according to the official website here, it uses touch responsive sensors, sound responsive technology, micromotors, vibration modules, and breathing effect to create the movements or to create movements and reactions such as head turns, tail wags, ear movements, soft barks, and simulated breathing here. Now, in this case, how do you exactly use the Nico robot or Nico Realistic Robot Puppy here? Now, according to their website, they do have a specific section for it. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to first remove the puppy from its box and basically switch it on. The sensors and movement system will activate, and you can then gently pet its head, back, or cheeks to trigger touch responses. Now, the puppy is designed to react with movements, sounds, and tail wagging here. Now, you can also speak near its face, as the website says. It has built-in microphone and can detect your voice or nearby sound and trigger reactions. Now, the puppy can be placed on your lap, bed, or couch where it continues its movement and breathing effects. Now, again, these are claims in their website. Now, when the battery actually gets low, you just need to connect it to the included USB charging cable. The website says the puppy typically provides around like 3 to 5 hours of interactive play here, depending on usage. Now, for maintenance, the site says no special care is required other than charging it and gently wiping the surface with a soft cloth. Now, the website describes Nico as having a soft, realistic fur, touch, and response here. Now, you can see that directly inside the website. Simulated breathing, heartbeat, lifelike movements, and rechargeable design. It also states that the puppy uses soft, non-toxic materials and smooth edges. Now, the official website here currently advertises pricing from around $29.99, but depends on when you're viewing it. As of right now, it does mention $15.99 per unit as of this moment, and you could just save 60% from the original $59.98 per unit. Again, in their website. Now, they also mention a 30-day money-back guarantee around their website here. And yeah, so in simpler terms here, Nico is a rechargeable interactive puppy toy that responds to touch and sound with movements, barking, tail wagging, simulated breathing. So basically, it is, or they claim that this is a realistic puppy that you could get without all the responsibility of an actual dog. So a toy dog. So, in this case, since this is a children's interactive toy here, following the manufacturer's usage and safety instructions is highly recommended. And also doing your own research, reading reviews inside and outside the website is also highly recommended, just to make sure that you're getting the most out of your purchase. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.